In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on eBay. This short guide will make it so easy for you to set up your payment preferences on eBay that you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Whether you're planning to shop for some unique finds or manage your selling account, having your payment methods properly set up is key to a seamless experience. So let's dive right in and get this sorted together. First, let's start off by heading over to eBay's website. If you have your browser open, simply type in eBay in the search bar and click on the link that leads you to the main eBay homepage. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, you'll need to create an account beforehand. It's always important to ensure your information is up to date. So if you haven't logged in for a while, take a moment to review your profile just to make sure everything is still accurate. Once you're comfortably logged into your eBay account, navigate to your profile section. This is typically represented by an icon or your initials at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is your gateway to managing all things related to your account, from security settings to a more tailored user experience. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Payments. This is where you'll be able to manage how you pay for your purchases, as well as how you'll receive money if you're selling items on the platform. When you click on Payments, you'll find a sub-option that says Add Cards and Accounts. Go ahead and select this. This is where you'll be able to link your credit or debit card to your eBay account. Now you'll see fields where you can enter your payment details. Input your credit or debit card information carefully. Ensure that all numbers, including the card verification value, a small number at the back of your card, are entered correctly. It's essential to double-check this information to avoid any issues during your transactions later on. And just like that, you're all set up. Once you've finished entering your payment information, you can sit back and relax. The hard part is done, and you now have the freedom to browse and purchase or sell with ease. Remember that keeping this information current and secure is important for a hassle-free eBay experience. That's all for today's guide. I hope you found this process as straightforward and simple as I promised it would be. With your payment setup complete, you're now ready to make the most out of your visits to eBay. Thanks for following along and happy shopping or selling.